Greetings, monarchs of the internet. I have not watched this video in like 3 months, so hopefully I can voice it over well. Today we're doing a nail tutorial on my friend Taylor's nails. And so first, I always start with a base coat, and I think that's one of the more important things. I use the Sally Hansen one. You can just get it at Walmart. I think it works really well. It also serves as both a top coat and a base coat, so that's pretty sweet. Also, this is my black nail polish going on, and the pencil, the mechanical pencil I'm using is because I did not have any toothpicks. So I figured out a mechanical pencil actually works pretty well. And then after I do that coat, I dip the fingers in ice water. And if you do that while the coat is still a little bit wet, then it will really, for some reason, it hardens the coat. I don't know, I read it somewhere and it seems to work really well. So if anybody knows why, that would be really awesome if you tell me. And here I am mixing the colors also with my mechanical pencil because again, no toothpick and no brush. Actually, I did this entire thing with a mechanical pencil. So, yeah. I don't know. Maybe that's legit. Maybe that's totally lame. I don't know. But you can also see my nails in this, and I think I might have put a picture of them better because I never actually did a video on these ones, but they came out really nice and I really like them. Here's me making more brown for the trees, although this entire step I think is pretty much useless because you couldn't really see the tree branches in the final design. I think it was just too dark on the black, and if I would have made the tree branches any lighter, I think it might have looked weird. Maybe not. I don't know. Let's see, there's a picture of the nails I did before. If you want a tutorial on how to do gradient nails like that, just comment below and I maybe will make one. Here is where we get to actually do the fun part. So I'm just doing little tiny dots. So I just use the tip of whatever you're using, mechanical pencil, or my other friend taught me with a bobby pin, or a toothpick probably works best. Just depending on what look you're going for, or if you're really fancy, you can get a dotting tool, but like, we're poor college students. So if you make dots, then you can drag the dots inward, and that is what makes the petals. So if you do a dot, drag the dot toward the center, and that is what makes your little petal design, and it looks really cool, and it looks kind of like you know what you're doing, even though you just did dots and dragged it towards the center. And so then after that, I decided that they still needed just a little bit more dimension. So what I did was I took my hot pink and I did one dot in the middle. And then I took that dot and I dragged it out. So as before we were dragging the 5 dots towards the center, now we're taking one dot and dragging it toward the outside. And that gave it a nice little effect, I think. And then I topped it off with my Sally Hansen top coat. And no, this isn't sponsored. I just think that it's good top coat, I guess. Oh, and then I went and cleaned up the edges. I took a brush and did a little bit of nail polish remover, and you can do that to try and clean up the edges because I was trying to make it look really nice. So yes, that is the finished product, the finished reveal, and I think it also goes to show you can still make pretty nice nails, even if they're short. So yeah, that is my tutorial. And I don't know what picture's coming up next. I see there's something else, but I'm not sure what it is. Oh, cat, yes. Here's the obligatory cat picture because I do not have an outtake. And thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe for more content. Thanks. Bye.